We all make decisions daily about something, having considered the options presented to us. From determining a career path, our relationships, what to eat and wear, our lives are virtually full of decisions. While some of our decisions are straightforward, others require further support to find the safety we seek from them. But one crucial point to note is that our decisions will always be right or wrong. They will either make or break us or other people. And so, we must purposefully flip our decisions on a regular basis to align them with the right choices rather than the wrong ones. Without this, we will find ourselves pursuing things that will eventually lead to poor judgment and suffering as a result. Moreover, our poor decisions may compromise the safety of others and put them in a vulnerable situation. For this reason, we must proceed with caution when making decisions, ensuring that they are based on good sense and consideration.